I'm Lucy, and today we're going to be making campfire corn. Here's what we're going to need. So you're going to need some aluminum foil, some corn, and then some butter, but I'm going to use the spray butter because that's way easier. Okay, so first, you're going to get some aluminum foil, set it down on your tray. And then, you're going to take your corn, so we have it's like corn on the cob, but you know, smaller pieces. And we're going to take our butter spray and just spray it, and then try and get all the sides. Now, let's set it on the end of the foil. Just wrap it up. Once it's wrapped, then you just twist the ends and set it on your pan. Now, you can cook these on a campfire or on a grill, but today we've prepared them for the oven. Preheat the oven to 375. And they're going to cook for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer. We might want to let it cool for a couple of minutes just so that it's not super hot when you eat it. Alright, now that they're cooled, I'm gonna unwrap them, put them on the plate. There we go. And that's how you make campfire corn. If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Now, let's call in our official taste tester. Here, try this. Time to try corn. That's very warm. Yum. It's very hot. It's yummy. I wish we had some things to eat it that weren't my bare hand. It's very good. It has a good flavor. And they're pretty good sized servings. It sounds pretty good.